Hello, I'm Nikita Chavan. Today we'll discuss about what is pharmacovigilance. Pharmaco means medical substance, and vigilance means to keep watch means to keep watch on drugs. What is drugs adverse reaction and adverse effect on human body. Then WHO definitions like as the science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effect or any other drugs related to problems. Is need for vigilance to to enhance public health and safety, to enhance public health and safety, and to health safety for public. And then historical backgrounds as like thalidomide disaster. Thalidomide disaster is thalidomide disaster in 1960 marketed in 46 countries. Hypnotic and prevention of nausea in pregnancy. It's heavily promoted. 1960 first report of deformed infants. Total more than 20,000 cases are observed. Then it's a big man-made disaster. The direct result of thalidomide incident is USA 1962 amendment of federal food. Then data too is very dangerous for pregnant women and infants. So it's a very big disaster. Then aim of pharmacovigilance is to improve patient care and safety in relation to the use of medicines and all medical and paramedical interventions. Then to improve public health and safety in relation to the use of medicines, to contribute assessment of benefit and harm, effectiveness, and risk of medicines, increasing their safe rational and more effective use, to promote understanding, education, and clinical training in pharmacovigilance, and its effectiveness communication to the health professional and the public, to communication is important in between patient and healthcare professional, because minimize the error between minimize error, man-made error, to helpful for patient health and safety. Then next is terminology. In terminology, adverse drug reaction, it's called as ADR. Then an unintended reaction to the drug at dose normally used in man, when association between an AE and a drug is established, it becomes an ADR. Then adverse event is AE. AE means negative experience encountered by an individual during the course of clinical trials, which may or may not be associated with the drug. Means adverse event is included is occurrence to suspected drug may or may not be it's by the adverse event it is unintended, untowards, and unexpected. It's then serious adverse event is a SAE. Then any adverse event which is a fatal, life threatening, permanently disabling, or which result in hospitalization, it's called as a serious adverse event. Then it's a very serious on patient, like as death of patient and life threatening, and then hospitalization. It's very serious about patient health. Then pharmacovigilance process, detecting and reporting on an ADR form is filled out with patient and reaction details in these later forms basis for data entry. Then spontaneous reporting and mandatory reporting. This report can this ADR form is filled anybody, like patient relatives, friends, as a healthcare professionals fill the form. Then spontaneous reporting means most common form of ADR reporting. Healthcare professionals identify and report any suspected adverse drug reaction to their national pharmacovigilance centers, or to the manufacturers, or to the manufacturer. Mandatory reporting means manufacturers are required to submit reports to they receive from healthcare provides to the national authority in the form of PSUR, means periodic safety update report. Then pharmacovigilance is very important term. So important term to the patient healthcare and safety. Thank you.